shadows of doubt where the worries creep, we found a light that's ours to keep. Through whispered secrets and laughter shared, in every moment I knew you cared. Brick by brick we're building trust in this garden of friendship, it's a must. Roots run deep, stronger than the storm. With faith in us, we'll always transform. Faith grows in friendship like a wildflower bloom. In the heart of the struggle, it lights up the room. When the world feels heavy and hope's hard to find, we rise together, your hand in mine.
Through the highs and lows we weathered the night. With every step